Hi guys, are you ready for another episode of Kitchens? Because I'm Billy Bob Pancake and this is Andy Ravioli.
A little giggly today, Billy Bob. Hi, I'm Randy Ravioli, and in this episode of Kid Chefs, we'll be teaching you to make popsicles.
The ingredients are Kool-Aid, a cup, a saran wrap, something to poke a hole with, and a popsicle stick.
Your instructions are 1. Fill a cup full of Kool-Aid. Like that. Okay, 2. Get some saran wrap and put it over the cup.
Hey Randy, can I read your joke?
Sure, Billy.
This is what made me laugh a little bit. Well, this is the thing that made me giggle. How do small people travel?
I don't know, Billy. How do they?
In a minivan.
Come on. Get back to work.
Sorry.
Okay, here's our piece of saran wrap. And we just put it over the cup like,
Very tightly.
yes, very tightly, like this. Very tight.
Make sure it's very tight.
Okay, 2. You poke your hole in the saran wrap, a very small hole. Okay, 3. Then use the real thing, popsicle stick. Stick it in the little hole, into the juice, all the way down.
Until
Okay.
it hits the bottom.
Like that. Now I think we're ready to put it in the freezer. In about 4 hours, it'll be ready to eat.
We're out.
Okay. We'll be checking on that in about 4 hours. Okay, we're back, and I think our popsicles are ready. Let's check, Billy. Wow, that looks real ready. Okay. Okay, you take off the saran wrap. Pull it off the stick. Okay, and it should look like this. Maybe a little hard to pull out. So if it is, go over to the sink and run it under some hot water. Make sure it goes on the cup. That should be enough. Now, you can pull it out. And enjoy. Scrumptious.
Okay, where is my popsicle? I want a popsicle.
Hey, cut it out. We hope you liked our Kid Chef show. See you later.
Goodbye.